Hi there, it's Yasim Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this short YouTube tutorial video I'm going to show you a website that I found that I was asking my friend about what does the word I think it said prick, what does that word mean, and she told me that it's like she found the word through the Urban Dictionary. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, doing this on a tablet. UrbanDictionary.com. Hit the enter and just wait for it to go to the site, and then here you are at the site, and then you can just, but slightly different if you're on the desktop or laptop, or if you're doing it landscape. I'm doing it portrait, so it's like this. So if I type the line, it will should give me options like these ones. So what would have across the top there, browse, categorize, bold, things like this. So that will, I want to find out what I'm going to type in the word. I'll tell what it was. So I'm going to type it in. I'll give it a second while the keyboard shows up. It's PRICK, and it says, and if I click on that one, it will give me more of a definition of what the Urban Dictionary word is for the word prick. And then here you can see, if I press the little microphone, it will say the word out loud, and here it says what the definition is. The word prick: a worse than a douche and jerk combined, a guy who thinks they know everything, but in reality they're stupid hypocrites, a guy who loves to cause drama then acts like nothing's wrong, most likely a guy named, and then there's that one. So I just wanted to, that's the website, UrbanDictionary.com. If you kind of hear people say word and think, what does that mean? And it could just very easily be a word that's in the Urban Dictionary, not in your Oxford Dictionary. So I wanted to share this website, and hopefully this video has been helpful and useful. If it has, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I post new videos on Wednesdays. Thank you.